That's one. Is that one? One into the fielder's hands. Hussain, the catcher, after doing well with the bat. More trouble now for the Hunters.
Yeah, he just didn't get it again. Sat in the surface. Zubair Jr. just didn't get enough. He's new to the crease. It's so good because he goes into the surface and wide as well, so he has to try and drag it. Simple catch. And they are nearly there, the Rawalpindi Raiders. Mohammed Zubair Jr. goes at 3, 40 for 6.
Went for the big shot, doesn't have the distance, and he goes, perishes. Via the same route he's caught. And it's another wicket for Afnan. 2 wickets now, and a brilliant last over from the left-arm spinner.
Yeah, so good, because he's using a new ball as well. It's not easy for a spinner to bowl with a new ball. A little bit damp as well. What's being clever is he's just bowled it into the surface. And he's got a bit of grip as well. Good catch by Amir Hassan. Not easy situation to come in. Hassan Iqbal goes without scoring. 40 for 7.
Afnan Khan on a hat-trick. Dubs Wood, new batter. Really impressed with the speeds of the deliveries we've seen from Afnan Khan. 80 kilometers per hour, then 83, then 85, then 82. That's the pace variations you expect from a bowler bowling the last over of an innings. That might be his hat-trick, yes! First hat-trick of the Pakistan Junior League going to Afnan Khan. There's something about this young man. With bat, with ball, he's a genuine star. Wow, he sealed the deal for his team. Rawalpindi Raiders on fire.
So good from him. Hat-trick in T20 cricket, and as you said, the first in the inaugural Pakistan Junior League. Again, look how clever into the surface. Not easy for any batter coming out trying to hit the ball out of the park. And another catch for Amir Hassan. Difficult for the Hyderabad Hunters, and once they were behind, it was not easy. Goes first ball. Hyderabad 40 for 8.